Positive leadership is one of the courses that we run most frequently. The idea is that it's a 3-day course where we really start the first day looking inside. What are your strengths? How do you confront conflict? How do you manage different situations? And then through that self-discovery process, we're able to then look forward towards tools that can be used on teams or in different settings, both organizationally and personally, to have more success.
I think what distinguishes this course from other leadership courses I'm aware of is that our belief is that in order to serve in a leadership position, one has to take the time out initially to spend on self-reflection, on self-awareness, and emotional intelligence. The course is really for leaders in organizations at all levels.
Get people from the corporate side, we get NGO leaders, we get coaches and individuals who are just looking to expand their skill sets and work on the next steps. We get a lot of people who are in transition, either personally or professionally. It could be that they're looking to start a new organization or are interested in a new career and aren't sure what to do.
The value that participants truly get from this course is both thinking about tools and techniques for leading in complex situations, but a lot of it is the space and structure for self-reflection and personal growth.
Facilitating this course is also trying to create a group that gets to know each other on the top of this mountain in Costa Rica. There's a magic here that it's hard to explain, but it's good for reflection, it's good for connection, and it's good for making plans and looking at yourself and the challenges and the organization in the coming time.